What are the barriers to acceptance with some of these? Do they really fully understand the technologies and the benefits of those technologies?
No, I think that's what you come up against sometimes is customers. They're worried to make a change. They don't want to be the guy that made a change that was an issue at a plant. So once, I think you have to just sit down and explain the technology, and then a lot of times I'll bring a pump in and break it down in front of them and show them just how simple the pump is, how few parts there are in there, and how it works and why it works. And once you do that, they kind of buy into the technology themselves. But there's a lot of guys that are apprehensive when you first talk mag drives to them. Maintenance guys sometimes seem a little more opposed to change, because it can affect them a lot if things don't work out right.
Yeah, you mentioned some of the bad actors. The maintenance guy that's got a couple of bad actors that's causing his plant not to run as efficiently as he'd want. I'm sure he's going to be much more prone to look at some different solutions.
Oh yeah, yeah. And once you get one in there, if they've got more than one bad actor, they want to apply it in every application. And one of the first things I look at is how robust the spindle looks in a mag drive. You've got some pumps out there with smaller spindles that work in applications, but I see pumps with smaller spindles, competitors' pumps broken all the time.
Yeah.
So that's one of the first things I look at is how robust that bearing support system looks.